and welcome to Sign Language Worship. This is a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching you how to use the ASL language to worship God. This week we're going to be learning a bit of a different genre altogether, and we're going to be learning a song called I Know a Man Who Can by the Cathedrals. Today we'll do verse 1, but before we get there, let's do some housekeeping. Remember, I am left-handed, so if you are right-handed, that means you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video in the tutorial, you're going to find links to print off the lyrics as well as to purchase the song, and please subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss your favorite songs. And if you're finding the channel difficult to navigate, you can always check out the website, signlanguageworship.com, and all the tutorials are there as well. Okay, so I can't take a heart that's broken and make it over again, but I know a man who can. I can't take a soul that's sin sick and wash it white as snow, but I know a man who can. Okay, so you're gonna start here at your chest, okay? The letter I, and then can't. You have your two index fingers out, and you take your dominant index finger and strike your non-dominant one. I can't take, okay, so that's like grabbing something. Take a heart, okay, because we're talking about someone's heart. So we're going to do heart there. A heart that. You do not have to sign that. You can leave it out if you want, but it's like this with your fingers curled except your thumb and your index out. That's broken. And make, so make, you bend your wrists and then straighten your wrists with two fists. And make it, it says over again, but we're gonna say new again. So for new, you take your dominant hand and you kind of slide it into your non-dominant hand, okay? And make it new again. And let's try those two lines again. I can't take a heart that's broken and make it new again, but, okay, so you have your two index fingers crossed and then bring them out, but I know, so if you think something, it's one finger. If you know something, it's multiple fingers. I know a man, so you have here at your forehead and then down to your chest, man. Sometimes for man it starts kind of, or it's still like this, but then it's together, but I always just have my hand open for it. Man, who, so thumb touching your chin, your other fingers are bent, but your index finger is bent like this. Who, okay, who can, okay, two fists, who can. So that line again, but I know a man who can. And then it says, I can't take a soul that's sin sick. I can't take a soul. So non-dominant hand kind of makes a little cup. Soul comes up from that. A soul that, you don't have to do that if you don't have time, that sin sick. So for sin, you have your fists kind of together like this with your index finger out but still curled. Sin. Okay, you go around. Sin. Sin. I can't take a soul that's sin sick. Wash. So you take your two fists and you kind of like you're washing something between them. Okay, wash and then white. Kind of grab at your chest twice. White, white, and then white as. You don't have to do as if you don't have time, but as like this. Okay, so it's just the same position as that, only it's here at your forehead, as snow. Okay, so that line again, wash it white, white as snow, and then the same line, but I know a man who can. Okay, let's try that from the top. Okay, I can't take a heart that's broken and make it new again, but I know a man who can. I can't take a soul that's sin sick, wash it white, white as snow, but I know a man who can. And let's try that one more time. I can't take a heart that's broken and make it new again, but I know a man who can. I can't take a soul that's sin sick, wash it white, white as snow, but I know a man who can. And that's verse number 1. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and tomorrow we'll be working on the chorus. Hope to see you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share sign language worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.